Y'all, we about to do a part two. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a part two. So not too long ago I did a video where I reviewed this amazing hair wax. I'm gonna have that video linked below, but that's basically my initial review of the hair wax. So this is hair wax. For those of you who don't know, it's called Mofaging. Some people were saying that they saw it like in store, like in their beauty supply store. I went to the beauty supply store and I didn't see it, but some people did say they found it in store, but I will link it to the website below where I found it. I'm excited because this stuff is hella pigmented. When I say pigmented, like y'all are about to see. Okay, I'm just gonna start by putting some of this. This is Camille Rose and this is some Moisture Milk, rice and macadamia oil. Just a softening leave-in conditioning cream. Yeah, like I said in my last video though, there are so many colors, I'm sure there's a red one, pink one, blue one. So they have options. They gave your girl options. I'm gonna spray it with some water a little bit too. Here's the jar, and this is what it looked like. So again, it's such a creamy consistency. Yee! Purple on purple on purple. All right, let's do this. Boom. Wow, still surprises me. Amazing. This stuff just takes so easily. Look at that. Like this stuff goes on like it's nothing. Like what? I love this. I love the temporary side of this. I love that this washes out. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Look at my hair right now. And as I was saying in my last video, the thing about this stuff is it's not flaky or anything at all. Like it's waxy, so it's not like stiff on my hair, which is amazing. And the color, it just takes so easily. Look at that. Look at that. From my scalp. What? Let's do it. Like y'all, do y'all see this right here? Like crazy. I'm gonna wash my hands. Oh wait, let me show you guys. Also, I got a bunch on my forehead because I was being clumsy. Well, not even. I was trying to get my baby hairs. But I'm gonna wipe it off and show you guys how easy it wipes off. Look at that. Look at that. There's no water on this towel. Just the towel. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And honestly, if there's a little bit of a stain, that's probably more from my makeup more than anything. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick. BRB. And boom, clean hands. Once again, comes right off, does not stain. All right, next we're gonna put some Eco Style gel in because I kind of wanted to do like a wash and go for day one, and then as the week goes by, we're just gonna see how the hair upholds. Now I'm gonna go section by section and put this Eco Style in, but I already in my last video tested it, and you definitely can put other product in it. I was nervous for a second that I was like, oh, if you put a product in it, is it going to remove the wax? Like, is the wax gonna come off? And honey, it does not. So you can layer product on this, which makes this my new best friend. All right, just wash my hands and now I'm gonna touch my hair again. It's gonna be so much product. Yes, way down my hair. Intact and popping. I'm just gonna keep messing with it and keep messing with it because once it dries, it's gonna shrink. Believe me, trust me, I know. So I'm just trying to get it into a shape that I like, so when it does dry, it's gonna dry cute in the way I want it to, which basically at this point I want it to dry just like fluffy, like give me body, don't shrink down too much, but it's looking good. Yeah, if you want to dye your hair and you want to try a crazy color, like if you want to permanently dye your hair, that's one thing, but if you just want to experiment first and see if you're gonna like the color, I would do this. Like if you want a bold color, because like you can't tell me my hair is not purple right now. I'm just gonna keep fluffing it, but look at my curls, y'all. Like curls popping. And that's my favorite part about this, like more than anything, like it doesn't change the integrity of my hair. This, like my hair is still moisturized. The gel took to it and like it didn't come out or anything. So what I'm gonna do is keep messing around with it probably for the next 20 minutes, just keep fluffing it and like messing with it because I'm OD. But I'm gonna let it air dry and then come back and show you guys. So this is gonna be day 1 hair. Yeah, I'm gonna let this air dry and I'm gonna check back in a little later once it's, you know, fully dry. And then we're gonna see what this day 1 hair looks like. Okay guys, we are back and proud, y'all. It's semi-dry right now, like semi-dry. When I say dry, I mean the ends are dry, but I am going to, because I know that this washes out and that it doesn't stain, I'm going to sacrifice my bonnet and we're gonna sleep in it and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't go through the bonnet, but again, it's like hair wax, so it'll wash out if it does get on my pillowcase. We're just gonna slip her right on. Oof. What my forehead and roots are looking like. All right, day 1 hair. We're gonna sleep in it and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 2. All right, next day, day 2. I'm sorry if I look crusty, but I just woke up. This is my beloved pillow. I just wanted to show you all the proof. Beautiful satin pillow, no purple on either side. I slept with my bonnet on last night and I was a little bit nervous just about it transferring. I thought honestly for a second, I was like, oh, what if it goes through my bonnet? But it did not. I'm actually about to go to the grocery store, so I do kind of need to do something with it. Swoop. Aw. I told you guys, it stops moving after day 1. Be a little stiff, but look at my curls, y'all. Can you see that? Curls still popping, color still beautiful. It's like semi-dry. I don't even want to say it's all the way dry. It's semi-dry. My hair takes a long time to fully dry, but this is what we're looking like day 2. I'm just gonna pull it apart with my fingers a little bit because it got really smushed. Oh, look at this. Color is still here. Still living day 2. And remember, I just put Eco Style in here. See? So I'm just really careful when I put on clothing. Like, if it rubs up, let me show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna sacrifice this sock to show you an example. If I just like tap this to my head, nothing. Like if I just do this, nothing, no purple. But if I take and rake it, then a little bit of purple comes off. So that can kind of be your guide as to, is it gonna come off on your clothes? If you're careful, it won't. And also if it's fully dry, I notice like when I'm touching in the crown of my head, it's still wet in there. So it comes off a little bit on my fingers, but this outside part that I've been touching doesn't come off on the palm of my hands. When it's fully dry, I imagine it will come off a lot less, but I'm gonna put more water in my hair, so we're not finna get fully dry. Day 2 hair, I was trying not to put too much water in it because I didn't want my curls to suffer. I still wanted curls to be popping, so I just sprayed a little bit of water in it and we looking good. I'm gonna get so many stares at the store with this, but that's okay. Almost forgot to show you guys the inside of my scarf. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of hard to tell because it's already purple. That was not planned, but not much came off on the scarf either. Like there's a little bit, but it's not much, but just in case you want to see. All right, day 2 hair, ready to go. Okay, so this is day 3 curls, still alive and well. I think though I really want to do like 2 strand twists going around and do that for a couple days, because I wore it out the last couple days and the curls are starting. I mean, curls are still popping. Let's be real. Curls are still popping. Color is still here. It did fade like the smallest amount. It's coming off of my fingers. So it is still coming off a little bit, but like I said, it has not come off on any of my clothes yet, so we're not there yet. Curls are kind of still intact, but we're starting to get a little crazy around the edges a little bit. It's definitely getting poofy, and I didn't want to put any more product in it, like any more gel in it, because I just wanted to see how we were lasting. I'll show you guys the back too. But yeah, it still looks really good. It's just like the color, it fades like a little bit, the smallest amount. I don't even know if you can tell, but I'll put it side by side just so we can see how pigmented it was the first day versus the third day. Because I think it's still like really purple. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2 flat twist attempts. I'm gonna use this Mielle leave-in conditioner. I'm not gonna put any more gel in it, but I'm gonna put a little bit of this in it because she's not completely dry, but she's not completely moisturized. In the middle here, around the crown of my head, that's where the curls turned out the best. Like the most defined. Like, look at that bad boy. Look at that. So quick update, I just did one side, twisted down so far. It's kind of hard to do. It's almost like stringy. Like when it was in the wash and go, like it was loose and the curls and everything, but it was kind of hard to twist back. But I mean, we did it. It's hard, but we did it. Let's go ahead and do side 2. Like it definitely feels like it has something in it now, but this is because it's also day 3 and I did just go and mix a whole nother product in with it, so she's tripping. But yeah, so it goes down all the way. I'm gonna do my baby hairs too. I'm gonna put some down. We going all out today because I want this to be, I want to do like a twist and I want it to last like for a couple of days at least. Let me see, was my part at least even? Oh, my part is semi-even. I did say semi. I'm gonna redo this one real quick because we can do better. That was hard though. It's like every time I try to pull it under, you do a 2-strand twist by going like under, over, under, over. Every time I tried to pull through the hair, it like would shag and get caught on nothing. I can't tell though if it's the wax or if it's because I put gel in. I'm gonna vote because I put gel in. Is that better? Sure, that's a little bit better. I'm gonna get my edge control and we are gonna do baby hairs. 24-hour edge tamer for the edges. A little purple on purple. We matching, we out here. Okay, these are what my hands look like. So this is day 3 and it's still coming off. Mind you, I did put product in it, so it's like not been completely dry since I started. But that's just a little forewarning that it does come off, but it seems to only come off when I'm messing with my hair. Okay, we're gonna do something fun today. I told myself I wanted to do, I want to do like a high puff, and then B, I want to do my eyebrows because I was like, why haven't I done my eyebrows at this point? These twists I've had in for a couple of days now. They're doing me okay. Like, they weren't terrible to me, but as you can see, the color, ooh, it's about to get flaky on this shirt. Y'all see the little purple flakes? I'm gonna sacrifice. I just picked a really bad color to wear for this. It is still very pigmented, definitely not as purple as day 1. I'm gonna put the smallest amount of gel, as if my hair doesn't have enough gel in it, but we're gonna put a little bit of Eco Style in there. Okay. Right, so hair's up in a puff. I'm gonna wet the puff now and put some more Eco Style up here just to activate the curls because they're looking a little dry. Okay, honestly, this is probably as much body as we're gonna get from my hair. Okay, she's tired of me, she's done. I'm gonna do a little bit of edge action. We gotta put these edges down and then we gotta get these eyebrows. I have not forgotten about the eyebrows. I'm very excited. Okay, so our edges are done, looking cute, almost out. Should I just dab it on or should I rake my, I'm just gonna dab it. Ooh. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh, I don't know where I was aiming with this one. Way below. Oh my gosh, it got more on my skin than it did my brows. Hold on. Ugh. I don't know if this is as cute as I thought it was gonna be. It's a look, well, for the aesthetic. Okay, but anyways, this is the hair. Okay, y'all. Hello and good morning. I'm very happy because this is our last day. So today is wash day. We wore our hair, you know, we did what we used to do, and it's time for it to come out. So I'm gonna show you guys, basically we're gonna go into the shower, wash this out. I'm gonna show you guys how easy this stuff comes out. Still staining my hands till the last day. Still very purple. This is our final day, so we're gonna go wash it out now, and I'm just wanted to show you guys that it does wash off easily. It doesn't like, that was one of my biggest fears was, wait a minute, what if it like washes off like 80% of the way but it still leaves a little bit of a purple streak? And I was like, I don't want that, but it doesn't, and we're about to go do that now. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair. I want to show you guys that we are back to black. I put in this Mielle moisturizing overnight conditioner. My hair is just in a puff right now, but as you can see, not a sign of purple. Not purple here, not purple there. Right back to normal, curls still the same, color still the same, meaning the hair wax came out perfectly. It did what it said it was gonna do. It temporarily dyed my hair, and after a week of having it purple, it goes right back to its natural color, which is crazy. Guys, this hair wax is super cool. If you are interested or looking to dye your hair with minimal risk or just experiment with colors and see what you like, I would definitely recommend this. I'm gonna link it down below. I think this experiment was great, and definitely if I ever want to do a cute color on my natural hair, I'm gonna look at this again. As I said, they have a ton of colors, so if any of you try a different color, let me know because I want to see what the different colors look like on you guys. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video today. If you guys liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.